Hello, my name is Masaki Nakamoto. I teach Japanese and Spanish at Creekview High School. In my spare time, I enjoy cooking, reading, watching movies, playing piano, exercising, and traveling across the world. Why did I join Innovation Academy? To explore how I can pursue student centered learning. It's also my TTES professional goal for this year. But it's not just technology. Students need to feel safe and respected. That's why I always spend some time in class to foster a sense of community among students by incorporating the practice of restorative circle. Besides the restorative circle, we also play games. Why do we play games in a foreign language class? First, games often involve physical activities where students also learn to listen and speak in
You
their
cut
target
the
language.
you cut the wrong
Kinetic
place.
activities stimulate brain function and certainly break monotony in a lesson. After playing the game, students become more active and
Okay,
alert.
hold hands.
My second strategy is the use of technology to enhance learning. More specifically, I used Google Drawing to get my students interested in and practice Japanese calligraphy. Virtual calligraphy preps students for the actual calligraphy with paper and ink. The technology makes calligraphy more accessible and less scary to students.
Okay. Click. That looks beautiful.
What are some outcomes of virtual calligraphy? First, students gain greater appreciation towards the tradition of calligraphy. Second, the virtual calligraphy made students accustomed to this traditional Japanese art. Third, the virtual calligraphy was less messier than the actual calligraphy with paper and ink. In addition, the whole experience was extremely therapeutic to students, with the practice of mindfulness. In conclusion, I have learned many things in Innovation Academy. IA has given me tools like virtual calligraphy and helped me realize the goal of student centered learning. Besides, these activities have also allowed me to collect various student outfits.